I love to cook, but I hate looking for utensils I need while I'm cooking. You have to search through drawers, or maybe you left it in a dishwasher. This handy extra large utensil holder provides plenty of organized storage while keeping your frequently used utensils right in reach. It measures 6.5 inches wide and 8 inches tall. The unit can hold up to 15 long-handled utensils, depending on the size of the utensil. And I love that it has a rotating base, so I can easily rotate it to the utensil that I need without having to search around. It also has a divider ring that you'd like to organize your utensils. I use it for my wooden utensils, my spoons and ladles, and my spatulas and tongs. It's neatly organized and easily available for me. As you can see inside, there are drainage holes. So if you put your utensils in after washing them and they're completely dry, it will not fill up with water. It will actually drain out of the container. The container also has an easy removable base. So you could take this out, clean it from any debris that might have accumulated in there, and keep your utensils nice and clean. It just pops right back on and you're ready to go. Insert our divider. Stainless steel exterior accents many of today's kitchen, but like many stainless steel appliances, they do easily pick up fingerprints. I'm frequently cleaning it, but that's not a detraction from the overall usefulness of this item. The base itself is weighted, so it keeps it in place, and it also has rubber grips, so it doesn't easily move on your counter. Overall, this is a very spacious and practical organizer for keeping your everyday cooking utensils neat and nearby and separated, easy to access, and that's why for me it's a definite gotta get.